4 in the morning. We're about to start a challenge. What type of challenge? One state?
Maybe two.
Two?
The 3-state challenge.
Hard cap?
Hard cap at 3.
Let's hard cap at 4. 4-state challenge.
4-state challenge.
Here I am in old Harper's Ferry. Little taste of the 1800s right here at the Potomac River and the Shenandoah Meet. About to cross this bridge, leave West Virginia. Snowbird, Good Times, and I taking our first break, elevating our feetsies.
Break number 1.
8:12 a.m.
Keep the piglets feeling good.
Feed those pigs. Eating these prairie pate bars, courtesy of Alex and Lena. Thank you very much. They're delicious.
Alex and Lena.
Woo! We're here, it's 11:15, 21 miles in. Dog report, Snowbird.
Dogs are barking, but I'm feeling good.
Good times.
My dogs are whimpering and they're very sad, but I'm in high spirits.
My dog's howling. Feel very, very bad, but good spirits. All self-inflicted trauma. So 23 more to go. 2:30, 15 miles to go. Snowbird, good times. Doing the hiker water dance. About 4:30, 11 miles to go. Starting to feel a little loopy. This is like 5:30. We're in a field. Snowbird's twirling and whirling. We're getting a little loopy, and not that much left. And we have word there may be treats ahead, and we're pretty excited about that. Only 6 more miles. Just in time to catch sunset here on the ledges with the team. 39.8 miles in, 3 more to go, and feeling good. Glad we stopped here to check out this totally gorgeous sunset.
Whee!
And we're in. Back to the land where the tea is bitter and the company is unfriendly. It was a long day, but we did it.